Improving your English in daily life and social relationships. English is one of the most widely spoken languages in the world. People use it for work, travel, and making new friends. If you are learning English, don't worry about being perfect. Focus on small steps every day and you will improve. Let's explore some simple ways to make progress in daily life and social relationships. Using English for small tasks is a great way to start. For example, write your shopping list in English. Instead of writing items in your native language, use English words like bread, milk, or apples. These are common words that you can use every day. This helps you build your vocabulary without extra effort. Speaking to yourself is another effective practice. It might feel unusual at first, but it helps you think in English. For instance, in the morning you can say, "I need to make coffee," or "I am going to the gym." When you prepare food, say, "I am cutting vegetables," or "I need to cook rice." These small habits make speaking feel natural over time. Listening is also important. Watching movies or TV shows in English is both fun and educational. Start with English subtitles so you can read while you listen. Later, try watching without subtitles. This helps you understand how native speakers talk and introduces you to common phrases and slang. Music is another enjoyable way to learn. Choose a song you like, listen to it, and read the lyrics. Sing along to improve your pronunciation and memory. Songs are a powerful tool because they repeat words and phrases, making it easier to remember them. Apps like Duolingo, Memrise, or Babbel can also help you practice every day. Spend 10-15 minutes a day using these tools to improve your grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation. These apps make learning fun and interactive. Social relationships are a great way to practice English. Try to make friends who speak English or are also learning it. Talk about simple topics like hobbies, favorite movies, or daily routines. These conversations don't have to be long. The goal is to practice speaking and listening. Joining language exchange groups is another option. Many cities have these groups where people meet to practice different languages. If you can't find one in your area, there are many online language exchange platforms. Apps like Tandem and HelloTalk connect you with people from all over the world. In English-speaking cultures, small talk is an important part of communication. For example, asking, "How are you?" or "How is the weather today?" can start a conversation. These simple questions help you build confidence and practice everyday language. It's normal to make mistakes while learning. Don't let fear stop you from speaking. Most people will understand you and appreciate your effort. Mistakes are a natural part of learning, and they help you improve. Focus on communication instead of perfection. Reading is another way to improve your skills. Find simple stories, articles, or books in English. Read a little each day and write down any new words. Look up their meanings and try to use them in sentences. Over time, this practice will expand your vocabulary and improve your comprehension. If you use technology, change the language settings on your phone or computer to English. This will expose you to new words daily. Follow English-speaking accounts on social media to see posts and phrases in natural contexts. This keeps your learning connected to real life. Set small, achievable goals for yourself. For example, learn 5 new words every day or have a short conversation with a friend in English. Review your progress at the end of each week and celebrate your success. Learning English takes time and effort, but it doesn't have to be stressful. Be patient with yourself and enjoy the process. Each word you learn and every conversation you have brings you closer to fluency. By practicing every day and using English in real-life situations, you will see progress over time. Remember, English is not just a language. It's a way to connect with people from all over the world. Keep practicing, stay motivated, and have fun with your learning journey. The power of habits in everyday life. Habits are small actions we do every day without thinking. They can be good, like brushing your teeth, or bad, like staying up too late. Habits are important because they shape our daily lives and help us achieve our goals. But how do habits form, and why are they so powerful? A habit is something you do regularly, often without thinking. For example, brushing your teeth in the morning, drinking a cup of tea or coffee, or checking your phone when you wake up. Habits save us time and energy because our brain doesn't need to think about them. Instead, it works automatically. This is why habits are so powerful. Habits form in 3 steps. First, something reminds you to start the habit. This is called a cue. For example, feeling sleepy can remind you to brush your teeth. Second, you do the action. This is called the routine. For example, brushing your teeth for 2 minutes. Finally, you feel good after the action. This is the reward. For example, your mouth feels clean and fresh. If you repeat this process many times, the habit becomes part of your daily life. Good habits help you in life. They make you healthier, happier, and more successful. Some examples are exercising regularly, eating healthy food, and reading books every day. Bad habits can make life harder. They waste time or hurt your health. Some examples are eating too much junk food, spending too much time on your phone, and not sleeping enough. The good news is that you can change your habits. With time and effort, you can stop bad habits and build good ones. Building a good habit takes time, but it is possible. First, start small. Begin with a simple habit. For example, instead of reading for 1 hour, start with 5 minutes. Second, set a goal. Decide what you want to achieve. For example, you might say, I want to drink more water every day. Third, be consistent. Do the habit at the same time every day. This makes it easier to remember. Finally, reward yourself. Give yourself a reward for completing the habit. For example, say, good job, or enjoy a small treat. Breaking a bad habit can be hard, but it's not impossible. First, identify the cue. Find out what triggers your habit. For example, if you eat snacks when you watch TV, the cue is the TV. Second, change the routine. Replace the bad habit with a good one. For example, eat fruit instead of chips. Third, get support. Ask friends or family to help you. They can remind you to stay on track. Finally, be patient. It takes time to break a habit. Don't give up if you make a mistake. Habits are the building blocks of success. Good habits make it easier to achieve your goals. For example, waking up early gives you more time to study or work. Saving money helps you buy the things you need in the future. Exercising keeps your body strong and healthy. When you understand your habits, you can take control of your life. Habits are a powerful part of our lives. They can help us or hold us back depending on what we choose to do. By learning how habits work and practicing good ones, we can improve our lives every day. Remember, it's never too late to start a new habit or stop a bad one.